Hi, it's Darren Tackett and Chris Usher with the Round Tackett Group at Remax Fine Properties. We're here for Foster Friday. We're here with Tuft.
And Tuft is a 2-month-old terrier mix. He's been microchipped, neutered, and vaccinated. He's all ready to go. He is quite the little character. Maybe he'll hit 20 pounds. So he might not last long down here. So come out and check Tuft out and the other dogs as well.
Yeah, he's a $200 adoption fee. It's a little higher for the puppies, but he is extremely cute. Probably won't last long, so get on down here and don't forget about the volunteer opportunities they have here as well. They could really use the help.